I guess a trait, like
Okay.
persistence is probably a big one.
Okay.
Like if you're able to set up a line, have that fail by accident because you knocked it over when you weren't supposed to, and then have the persistence to just keep trying, keep building, that trait alone is going to help every single domino builder like immensely. And I've learned that a lot through dominoes too. Like I first started, I would like quit. I'd have to take some breaks, you know, but then I always came back to it. I always came back no matter what. I tried again. And that's kind of like what helped me through with dominoes. But like in terms of building the projects, it just came from a lot of experimentation, like seeing how tricks work, seeing how dominoes move and fall and slide on each other, and you know, re-engineering things if it didn't work, doing a lot of tests. I also watched a lot of YouTube videos. I'll kind of like analyze videos, and like I remember like screenshotting videos, zooming in on Microsoft Paint to see how a structure was made, and then
Okay.
kind of just copying that and figuring out things on the spot. So it's a lot of like just general experimentation out of pure curiosity.